So I've got my electric lunchbox here. Now this was sent to me by the seller, so I can go ahead and show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the feature of this, and I'm going to go ahead and put some food in here and show you actually how it works. Hopefully I'm going to answer all your questions. It does come with quite a few things. They did send us some utensils. We've also got a little bag here to go ahead and store this in, to go ahead and keep it, whether you want to keep it things warm or cold. Comes with a strap. We've got an adapter here, power cord, and then also little, it's actually just kind of like a food separator. You're just putting that in there anywhere you want to go ahead and separate your items. Now the lunchbox itself, this does come out stainless steel. You can go ahead and wash this, put it in the dishwasher or hand wash it. Also has a cover that goes on top with a little valve here for any steam that's going to come out of this. Once you go ahead and heat it up, then we've got our cover that's going to snap on the top. Right here, this allows you to put your utensils in here. And then we've also got a handle also. The display here is real easy to read. It's got a large display right here, and these controls have 4 settings. Off, we've got a warmer, which is a max of 2 hours. You also have a timer, anywhere from 1 to 6 hours. And then our OK button is when you can go ahead and make your actual settings. Right now, it's actually warming up. Right now it's 132 degrees. It does get up to 215 degrees. And then we've also got our battery display up here. So I've just put some food in here and turned it on. I'm going to have it go up to the max. I've already set it up so the temperature's increasing right now. And then we're going to come back when it's all warmed up and check it out. So I've just put some food in here and turned it on. I'm going to have it go up to the max. I've already set it up so the temperature's increasing right now, and then we're going to come back when it's all warmed up and check it out. Let's go ahead and try this out. I've had it heated up now. This is really nice and warm. This is so much better than having to take your food to a microwave, because it really depends on where you're at, whether you're at work or maybe you're out in the field working. This makes it so much more convenient. Really happy with this, super easy to use, and it works great. Hope you found this helpful.